located in the city of Melbourne. This is where I bought my very first popmart figurine, where it all started. First were just a couple of blind boxes, but now I couldn't count it anymore. They're all very cute, and their designs are awesome. I couldn't resist buying more. Second store is Doncaster Westfield. This is so far my favourite store because they release more limited edition ones here. I reckon because they are the newest store here in Victoria. And I think the biggest as well. I love how popmart creates their designer toys. It is very detailed and sophisticated. You get what you pay for. It's worth every single penny. Popmart continues to release more high-end dolls, figurines, plush and other collectibles. The other stores are too far from where I live, so I can't really visit them. Other store locations here in Victoria are Chadstone Shopping Centre in Dandenong, High Point Store in Maribyrnong. If ever what I wanted isn't available in store, I wait for it to be available online. There are two websites that I check, Popmart.o and Popmart Global. You can always search for it in Google. That's all for today. Good luck on your Popmart journey.